Okay, let's talk about a problem that can stop a project cold, and the AI built to fix it.
So imagine this. Your key part is suddenly discontinued. That's the exact problem a project manager, Anna, faced.
Her supplier has an alternative, but it's from a totally different manufacturer with a new product code.
She can't risk it. Is it strong enough? Is it certified? Will it even fit?
So she tries to get answers the old-fashioned way, by picking up the phone.
But her search for answers just leads to voicemails and then a long, frustrating wait on hold.
She's stuck on hold for 40 minutes, and still, no one can give her the technical specs.
Meanwhile, the project grinds to a halt, and that deadline is breathing down her neck.
But what if there was a faster way? This is where AIVA, an AI assistant, comes in.
And what's amazing is how AIVA just cuts right through this entire problem, instantly.
AIVA gives her a perfect side-by-side comparison. Everything matches up, and it's even cheaper.
It's a total game changer. You go from uncertainty and risk to data-driven confidence.
So a decision that felt impossible before, it now takes her just 2 minutes, no more delays.
And just look at the difference here. 40 minutes of hunting down info versus 2 minutes with AIVA.
So Anna's project is back on track, and they're actually using a better, more affordable part.
And this really matters, you know? In this industry, every single day of delay costs big money.
This quote really says it all. Big projects simply can't wait for someone to pick up the phone.
So how could instant data speed up your next project? To learn more, visit mybraindev.ai.